In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a simple, repeatable outreach flow that sends the right messages and creates the right follow-up tasks at the right time. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser, head to Google, and search for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log in to your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're in the right workspace if your company has more than one. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and find the Sales section. From there, select Sequences. This is where you'll create, edit, and manage all of your outreach cadences. On the Sequences page, click Create Sequence. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas and full control over the steps, timing, and content. Confirm by selecting Create Sequence to open the sequence editor. Now it's time to define what the sequence actually does. Choose the first action you want the sequence to perform. Common choices include sending an automated email, creating a follow-up task, or scheduling a reminder for a manual email or call. Pick the action that best fits how you want to kick off your outreach. To build out the rest of your cadence, click the plus sign to add another step. Then choose the next action the sequence will perform. Continue shaping the flow to match your process. For example, you might alternate between an email and a task, so you're nudged to follow up personally between automated touches. When you're happy with the details of a step, click Add to place it into the timeline. Give your sequence a clear, descriptive name at the top. A good name makes it easy for you and your team to identify the purpose at a glance, such as the audience, the offer, or the stage in your funnel. When your structure looks right, click Save in the top right. You'll be asked who can see this sequence. Choose the visibility that fits your needs, such as keeping it private while you're testing or sharing it with your team for broader use. This setting helps prevent accidental edits and keeps your library tidy. Finally, click Save again to confirm. That's it. Your sequence is created and ready for further refinement whenever you need it. Remember, you can always return to adjust email copy, timing, and tasks to improve performance over time. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your first HubSpot sequence set up.